Welcome to Sedona! Today we're taking a hiking trip in Sedona. Sedona is found 2 hours north of Phoenix and is known for its red rock buttes and steep canyon walls. It's also known for having a certain spiritual vortex energy. Let's go see if we can find it. Before we hit the road, we stop at Fire Creek Coffee for a chai tea. They make some of the most creative coffee drinks here. Next, it's time to hit the road and grab some lunch. There's also the Sedona Shuttle, which will take you to the different hiking locations. But on this trip, we're renting a Jeep. And we got the Jeep, the EV version. Driving through Sedona feels like we've landed on Mars. The scenery is otherworldly, and there's a number of stops for viewing and hiking. We recommend the Red Rock Scenic Byway, which is super fun to drive. For lunch, we head to Wildflower, which is a local chain similar to Panera and has excellent views of the Red Rocks. Next, we check out some local hiking stores and bookstores to learn more about the vortexes and gear up for our hike. So they say that there's 4 main energy centers here in Sedona. This chapel is supposedly one of them. So let's see if we can tap into the vibes. The Chapel of the Holy Cross is one of the easier accessible vortexes. It was built in the mid-50s and set amongst the Red Rock Buttes, up on the cliff. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep the good vibes rolling in. Now, what exactly is a vortex? We learned through our visit that the vortex is an intersection of natural electromagnetic energy that promotes feelings of balance, prayer, and intuitiveness. It's just so beautiful how these rocks are illuminated this time of the evening. It's just wall to wall rocks. All the different striations and colors. What do you think? Are you feeling the vortex vibes?
Bring on the vortex, let's go.
We have now entered Bell Rock, one of the most identifiable rock formations in Sedona, offering breathtaking panoramas. The hike is less than a mile, but for adventure seekers, you can go up to the top of the rock.
You keep going up? Yeah.
Yeah, it's
and
very
you slide
steep.
down.
We made it to the top. Kind of. Getting to the top of Bell Rock involved a steep climb, some scrambling, and an elevation gain of 600 feet. Getting here at sunset is such a treat. Just look at this 360-degree view of this light show and color-changing rocks. While amongst this red rock backdrop, it's time to do a little bit of yoga and find some zen. The Bell Rock's vortex is considered to be one of the most powerful vortexes in the area. In order to experience Sedona's vortex energy, here are 4 things to keep in mind. 1. Pause and breathe. When you reach a quiet spot, take a moment to pause, close your eyes, and let the vortex wash over you. 2. Meditate. Find a quiet spot and let the vortex energy enhance your spiritual connection. 3. Set your intentions. Take the opportunity to reflect on your life goals and what you wish to achieve. And 4, connect with nature. Bell Rock is a sacred place. It feels like you've entered a cathedral. It's quiet and it's a time to observe both externally and within. Have you felt the vortex energy? Comment below. Speaking of Bell Rock, we're staying at the Hilton Sedona Bell Rock. Let's take a tour. This resort comes with a ton of amenities, everything from sound baths to astrology talks, but we really like the rooms. Check out this wood-burning fireplace and dun-dun-dun, the view of the Red Rocks. One thing about the Hilton Sedona Bell Rock is it's situated a little bit far from the main street, but the drive is absolutely gorgeous.
An ancient proverb for you from the great Zoltar. Be happy while you're living, for you're a long time dead. Go ahead, my friend. Get yourself a little treat today. After all, you only live once, no? Give Zoltar more monies, and I will give you more wisdom for your journey.
After imparting the wisdom of the Vortex and the Zoltar, we feel extra enlightened and emboldened to seize the day, or at least seize a few crystals that we found at this really cool gift shop. And one of our favorite things to do in Sedona is to look up at the night sky because you're in for a treat. It's a dark sky place and the stars are so bright here. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe down below for good vibes, good energy, and many more travel videos.